2016 Chevrolet Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price, Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, cruise control, aluminum wheels, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, electronic stability control, bucket seats, heated driver's seat, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.